Hi there, so it's Andy here for Go Nomad aka Pigs on Bikes, and today we are on the El Chepe train between Posada Barrancas and El Fuerte, Copper Canyon here in Mexico. Look at this. Pretty cool, eh? Look at that! Yeah, so we're moving along at a fairly steady tunnel. Oh, there we go. Yeah, nice. So magnificent, isn't it? Great scenery. Moving along at a fairly steady pace, not too fast, 40 or 50 miles an hour, I suppose, maybe even that at times. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I've seen some cool things, and the valley's got significantly taller. So yeah, I've been standing near this door for quite a while now actually, and I tried to shoot some video from inside, but I think the glare off the inside of the window wasn't really okay, so I come back and stood near the door because if nothing else you can hang out inside the train. Look at this, it's cool. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I like it when the train sort of goes round the corners there, because you can see how long it is. It's quite a long train, actually, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah, well, yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty cool. You've got to stand on the right side, because if you don't stand on the right side, or sit on the right side, you won't get the best view. So at this stage, you need to sit on the left hand side. Look, I'll show you. Oh, hello. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'll show you. Hang on, let me show you what you see on the other side of the train. If you're sitting on the right hand side, it's not quite as spectacular, really. Hang on. Yes, this is on the right hand side. You can see it's a bit more like this actually. Lots of just rock face, which after a while fairly boring. So yeah, I'm sitting back down now. This is the view out the window actually. But yeah, I've been standing up for a good hour or so, and I thought I'd come and take a seat for a while. Here we go. So it's getting on now a little bit. Oh, sun's not far off going down. We went to the food car, and it was all right. We had some fairly decent train food, better than British Rail actually, but get in England probably. Good cooked on the train as well. And I'll see if Tanya's got some photos of it. I'll see if I can put some in somewhere. But yeah, it was good. You should try it, I recommend it. Try the train food. That's cool. Look right down there. You can see right down there. Amazing. What an amazing view. So there we go, that's the train journey. Oh, sunset. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and email me at gonomad123@gmail.com. Stay safe out there.